This tutorial explains how to recover a token that was sent on the wrong network, or when the client used an incorrect token to make a payment. To demonstrate the process, I will recreate this situation step by step. First, on the MakaPay dashboard, go to the Payments tab and create a new payment link. Select the recipient's address as usual. In the Network Selection section, choose the network. In this example, we select Polygon and choose USDT as the token. Enter the amount, in this case 2 USDT. And create the payment link. This is the link that will be sent to the customer. Once the customer receives it, they proceed to make the payment. For this example, let's assume the customer sends the correct token, USDT, but uses a different network, such as Ethereum. Because of this, the merchant will not receive the funds correctly. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the customer will see that the transaction status remains pending. On the merchant side, when reviewing the transaction list, the payment also appears as pending. This indicates that the funds were sent using an incorrect network or a different token. To recover the tokens, click on the transaction and select Recover Tokens. The system detects that the tokens were sent on the wrong chain. Click Recover, and after a few seconds, the tokens are automatically recovered for the merchant. The recovery process is now completed successfully.